guys, I'm Miss Thetford, and welcome to the Wildcats 7th grade. I am your math teacher, and I just wanted to hop on here and introduce myself and kind of give you some information as to where to look and where you can find some things. If you could take a look in the class info folder, there's a lot of really important details in there, including our syllabus, how to submit assignments and where to look for assignments, a lot of things that are super, super important. And to help get the ball rolling, I'm just going to send you that way. Our weekly agenda also tells you to take a look at these, but please make sure that you actually read those because, like I said, it has a lot of important information on it. I know that this year is going to look different. That's a given. And it doesn't matter if you are a hybrid model or if you are virtually going to school, I want you to know that I am 100% here for you. And within that class information, you can find my office hours, and that's when you can send me an email. I'm going to have live Zooms going on, so that way we can talk to each other as close to face as we can. And I just want you guys to know that I am still here for you. And even though I'm not physically in the same room as you, like your old teachers in the past were, it doesn't mean that I'm not here, I'm not cheering you on, because I am. I 100% am. And I know that we will be successful as long as our communication stays open and we are willing to learn how to do this whole virtual thing together. And so I just wanted you guys to know that I'm going to be your biggest cheerleader. And I am so excited to see where this year goes. And please know that if you ever need anything, I am here for you. I'm just an email away. I'm excited for this year, and let's get started.